Hey, it's Gabrielle at Birdies Gardens, and I am going to be planting up my Birdies Core 10 bed today, raised bed. They sent this to me to give it a try, and what I'm really excited about is I'm going to put a pollinator garden slash herb garden in here using mint, which usually spreads in the garden. So I like to put it in containers, and this container is perfect. I'm also adding a bubbler feature so that when the pollinators come to eat all the luscious mint and oregano and flowers, they can also get a drink. I'm just so excited about this bed. Definitely check it out.